Hi, everybody. Welcome to this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. It is so hard to believe this is the last tip of 2018. So what I want to encourage you to do is to create your media calendar for the year. Start with January, go through December, look at things related to seasonality that you could pitch your media or that you could pitch your company to the media. If you have an expertise, if you're an accountant, obviously tax day in April. So put those kinds of things down, holidays, and then don't forget about the non-traditional holidays like National Pancake Day and National Honesty Day, and put those in there too. And then think about things going on, the Super Bowl, Oscars, Emmys. Is there anything like that that you can relate to your business? And lay it all out for the whole year. Remember, you're pitching national magazines 4 months out, regional magazines 2 months out, and your local paper and television 2 to 3 weeks out. So get that plan made for 2019. If you like this tip, if you want more tips, please join our free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and I will help you get massive visibility in 2019. See you in the media.